improvement whoever is doing. Okay, all right, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I want to speak about regression testing. Regression testing, it is a type of software testing. It is used to add the new future. When we add the new features, then we set that it is a regression testing. When we add any new features to this test defects to the test cases, then we test the test cases. Then it is called regression testing.
Wonderful. Okay, good. Can you give some example of regression testing? Any example that you what is
Yeah,
coming to your mind?
WhatsApp, sir. WhatsApp. In WhatsApp,
Okay.
we added some new features. So in morning time, WhatsApp giving some updates like WhatsApp status have been have been updated.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. Continue. No problem. Continue.
Then we test the application. When the application is correctly run, then we close the application. Once the application is not run, we send to the developer.
All right. All right. Continue. Don't stop my response. Continue.
That is, then it is called regression testing, sir.
Yes, I continue. Don't stop
Okay.
for my response.
Okay.
Continue.
Next topic, it is about retesting, sir. Retesting is a type of software testing. It is used to tell about the once we got any errors, we send to the developers. We send the defects to the developers. Developer will check the defects, and will check the defects and rectify the defects. And send back to the tester. The process is called retesting, sir. If in case any errors are getting, in case any error defects are getting, then it is called retesting, sir.
Yes, I continue. Continue. Don't stop for my response. I told you 3 times. Don't stop for response. Continue.
Yeah. Next topic is about RTM. RTM is requirement traceability matrix. Requirement traceability matrix is tells about it is used to verify the test cases designed by the test engineer based on the client's requirements. Based on the client's requirements, there are three types of RTMs. First one is forward RTM. Forward RTM, it tells about it is used to test it is used to test all the test cases based upon the client requirements. Second one is backward testing, backward trace RTM. Backward RTM, it is used to it is used to tell us about is there any extra test cases? Is there any extra test cases or not? It is extra test cases or not? Then it is called backward RTM. Third one is bidirectional RTM. Bidirectional RTM is it is used to tell about the both forward RTM and backward RTM are testable in this application. Then it is called bidirectional RTM. Bidirectional RTM.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Go ahead.
Next one, it is about test case scenario. Test case scenario high document requirement. It is used to tell about the instructions which we are test by the test developer by the tester. It is set of instructions. We have to write for example, we have to take in a Gmail application, open the login box and log in your details. In case we got any we have forgotten your password, then it is called a defect. Yes.
All right. Any other document that you prepared?
Okay, just 1 minute. I want to tell.
Yeah.
Test case templates. And next topic is test case template. Test case templates. It is easy to tell about the test case template, which is designed by the developer and is sent to the tester. Then the tester will test the test cases using this template. Then next one is FRS. FRS means functional requirement specification. It is to tell about the what are the requirements which we use for the application to build the application.
All right. That's good. Thanks, Sai. That was really wonderful that whatever preparation you have done. I think you've done enough research on RTM. You came up with bidirectional RTM. That is good that you researched in the internet to get more inputs. All right.
Yes.
That's wonderful. Keep it up. I understand this is the first try, and do not worry. Whatever you've done in the first try is very good. Okay. So
Okay.
I'll talk to you sometime later. So let everyone continue. Okay.
Okay.
All right. You can switch off the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Archana, guys, I'll be messaging in the chatting window. Whoever is next. So please be ready. All right. Yes, Archana. Go ahead, and what is your topic? And please again, don't stop in between. So whenever you start, right, just continue with all your topics, whatever you prepared. Okay? Yeah. You're on mute, Archana. We can't hear
He's
you.
in mute.
You're on mute.
Now,
Yeah. Go ahead.
okay. Actually, my laptop is not working, Vinod. So I log in from my mobile. So sorry
No,
for
that's
that.
all right. That's all right. Yeah. When you get
Okay. My,
salary, right, you purchase laptop from the testing salary, right? Okay, go ahead.
my topic is first topic is smoke testing. Smoke testing is a software testing method that verifies if a new software build is stable or not. Smoke testing is also known as build verification testing or confidence testing. Smoke testing uh, is confirm for quality assurance team to proceed further software testing process. It consists of um, a minimal set of tasks to run on uh, each build to test software functionalities. Um, it helps to find out bugs um, in no, early stage in the early stage.
That's all
Next,
right. Good, good. Hope you don't have any notes in front of you, right? You're telling on your own,
no,
correct?
no, no,
Okay. Yeah,
I
good.
don't have
So
any.
do not worry. Do not worry. Nobody's
I'm
seeing you, okay?
no, no,
Nobody's seeing
it's
you. You
very
just
tense
continue.
to,
No, nothing. You're doing good. Everything is going on good. Do not worry. Don't break that rhythm. Okay, continue.
okay. Next, my next topic is UAT, user acceptance test. User acceptance test is uh, ensures that whether an application or a feature meets to end user needs. UAT is usually uh, performed by uh, clients or end users. Uh, Usually, can I tell after some time? It's very tense.
No, that's okay. So that's fine. So you're doing very good. Again, why do you wanted to break it? Continue. If you forget the topic, you start from the next line. Why do you want to get tense unnecessarily? Just continue, leave that line, come back to it. Anita, what she want to say something?
No, nothing. Sorry, just kid.
Okay, go ahead, Archana, continue.
UAT is a final stage of a software testing process. The purpose of UAT is to identify bugs in system, software, and networks. My next topic is severity and priority. Severity in software testing.
Now our mobile is not working. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. To notice that problem. What happened, Archana? What happened?
Audible. Power cut here. It's a little
You are on
power
mobile,
problem.
right? Why power cut is you are on mobile phone?
No, my I I am on Wi-Fi, so that's why it's cut my
Sure.
it will cut my call.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Continue.
I am audible now.
Yeah, you are
Uh,
clear and loud.
Okay. In software testing, severity is a measure that um, how much a bug is impacting on software application or functionality. Uh, severity is severity in severity importance of defect is with respect to functional based on functionality. Uh, Functionality points of view. Um, Severity is classified in four categories: S1, S2, S3, and S4. S1 is critical and fatal. S2 is major, S3 is minor, and S4 is low. Uh,
When
um,
we say
um,
when we say defect is fatal, example,
when URL is not working or application is not open or um, login login uh, problems, that time we call it a fatal.
okay,
When
okay,
URL is not working, that time it's
Mhm.
called fatal or critical.
Okay. When we call it is low severity.
uh, Low severity means it is not affecting our uh, mm, program or like any fount
Oh God, what happened? Okay, all right. I don't know. Something is wrong. Okay, maybe because of the bandwidth, it is not supporting. Okay, that's fine. Let's stop her video. Okay, so Nagatulasi can go next.
Yes, Vinod once.
Okay.
My
Oh,
video.
Yeah, that's fine, Archana. That's fine. Thanks for your time. And it was wonderful. You know, though you're showing a lot of tension while talking, but it is fine. Everything is fine. And good that you are prepared. So no one is 100%, right? But yes, the progress is very good. So we'll keep continuing the same thing. The preparation you should prepare more. You should so that you can speak confidently. So far it is good, Archana. Thank you. Okay,
thank
now
you.
Tulsi, go ahead.
Yes, Vinod, 1 second. I am on
Yeah.
video.
Vinod, can I go next after Nagatulsi?
Yeah, sure.
Because my kid will come again. She'll start.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to go now, later on Nagatulsi can go, not a problem. It's up to
Okay.
you both.
Anyhow, it's her wish. No issues.
Yeah, my video is not working. My husband is checking on that.
Achha, it's not mine to showing now.
And once again, please ignore my appearance, okay? So he was busy there.
That's fine. See, nobody is looking at those appearance. Please stick to the subject. Forget
Yeah,
about
sure.
stick
Vinod,
to subject. All I need is subject. That's it.
Vinod,
Yes.
I will
But,
Can I go
disconnect
ahead?
and I will reconnect again. Okay.
okay, Hanita, you can start by the time. Hanita, you can start by the time she'll join back.
Okay.
Okay, great. Okay, good. Go ahead quickly.
Hi everyone. My first topic is nothing but smoke testing. Smoke testing, it is initially the first test conducted by the QA team and on the build released to the QA team, which will be in the form of URL. And it is also called as build verification or build acceptance testing. In this method, we can verify the new software build is stable and further functions can be performed or not. The main advantage of this type of testing is instead of wasting the resource time, initially only we can identify the stability of the build. And next, it is UAT testing, which is also called as user acceptance testing. It is also called as application testing or end user testing. And it ensures that the software meets the business requirements and it is ready for deploying in real world environment. It is done in pre-production QA and it is done before production itself. And normally QA end users, clients or third parties perform UAT testing. In UAT testing, we have two types of UAT testing. One is alpha testing and second one is the beta testing. Alpha testing is done by the QA at our company itself, and someone from the customer side will join this type of testing. Whereas coming to the beta testing, it is done at customer location. Either the customer performs this type of testing or he will assign to some other third party. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, and next coming the third topic is severity and priority. Severity is nothing but the seriousness of the defect, and I mean like how seriously it is affecting the from customer how seriously it is affecting the customer, and uh,
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah.
Continue with the next line. So don't stop at that point.
No, yeah.
If you-
QA engineer, he'll be determines the severity of the defect. Not four types of we can set four types of severities. S1, which will be the fatal defects. That fatal defects are nothing but the serious defects. Um, Something like further actions cannot be proceeded, or we can't go with the yeah. And the next one is the major defects. S2, it comes under the major defects. These are nothing but the functional defects. It will not be affecting the whole application, but these type of defects still we can continue with the testing process. And the S3 is nothing but the minor defects, which are UI related issues, alignments, cosmetic issues, and or spell check issues. And S4 are nothing but suggestions. Whereas coming to the priority is nothing but the importance of the defect. It is the importance is about the urgency and priority of fixing a defect. It will be set by the uh, QA department only. Based on the business need, we'll be setting the severe no, based on the business needs and severity of the defect, priority will be set. And coming to the priority, we can set it as P1, P2, P3, and P4. P1 will be the critical one, which is the entire functionality is blocked, or no testing can be performed further. And P2 will be the high level priority. And P3 will be the medium level priority issues like minor defects. And P4 will be the last level of priority, which is low level of priority. And yeah, and coming to the high severity and high priority issues, like in the login page, if we enter the valid credentials and click on login, if the system crashes or it doesn't navigate to the further page, it comes under high severity and high priority. Whereas coming to the low severity and high priority, the company name will be like misspelled, but it will be the low severity. But from the customer point of view, it will be the high priority. And coming to the low priority and high severity, if we cannot perform download on particular version of IEs, whereas like older version or newer version, it will be coming under low priority and higher severity. And coming to low priority and low severities will be like spell mistakes and help sections are not working, some version numbers are missing, the themes, all these kinds of defects will be coming under low priority and low severity. The last topic is nothing but cross browser testing, which is done by the QA. It is evaluating whether evaluating a website or apps functional is compatible across multiple web browsers or not. In this, again, there are two types. One is testing with the local or physical devices, and the other one is cloud-based cross-browsing testing, which can be cloud-based cross-browser testing can be done in a few like browser stack, Lambda test, testing bot, and few more.
Okay. All right. Anything else, Anita?
No, that's it.
Okay. All right. Thanks. That was good. That was good. And that was good. I think you're prepared well. So yeah. So we'll move on to the next one. Now, Tulsi, you're ready?
Yes, Vinod.
All right. You can switch on camera and continue.
Yes, I am able to see, right?
Not yet.
Now, Vinod?
Not yet. Come on, make it fast. What
I
happened?
honored
What is
my
the problem?
camera. I honored my camera, but it's not visible. Camera work out.
Okay. Just can we go ahead, please? Navita,
Yes, Vinod.
okay, go ahead. Sai, you were having some doubt. You were raising hand. What's the doubt?
No, sir, no, no.
Okay, all right.
Say my camera is also not working, I think. Are you visible me, Vinod?
Not yet.
I
Yes.
think it is so older one computer.
Will you attend the interviews? I mean, people who are having a problems with the camera, the laptop not working, mobile phone, camera not working. After a few days, you will be attending interviews. How will you attend the interview if this is the case? Okay, Rajalakshmi.
Vinod,
Yeah,
it is my turn.
yeah. Nobody's, I think, I don't know,
Okay.
someone having a problem. Okay, go ahead,
Hi,
Rajalakshmi.
Vinod. Hi,
Yes,
everyone.
I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. Now, today my topic is testing techniques. Why we are
Okay.
using testing techniques? That is, writing test cases reduce the quantity. That means here two techniques is there, ECP and BVA. That means equivalence, class partitioning, and boundary values analysis. Equivalence class partitioning means here divided the input data into the partitions of the equivalent. That is uh, uh, which test cases we derive. For example, I will take the phone number, that is 10 digits we entered in textbooks. Here 10 digits in Indian number, it is 10 digits. 10 digits is the valid data. One test case we writing valid data and two invalid data. Here every number test case writing is burden. That is three test cases we verified. It is testing is done. So here burden is uh, less burden. So we are using equivalence class partitioning. For example, phone number here 10 digits. 10 digits is the valid data. For suppose we entered 9 digits, that is invalid. So insufficient data. That means 9 digit means 1 digit is left. So that is not taking text. The text box is not taking. That is one of the invalid test case. And another invalid test case. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're going good.
Okay.
Don't stop,
okay.
Lakshmi. Very good. Go
Yeah.
ahead. Go ahead.
Another invalid test case is more than 10 digits. That means 11 or 12, anything. More than 10 digits we entered, it is not taking, text box is not taking. That is one of the invalid test case. And another one is BVA, that is boundary value analysis. Here it is focuses the boundaries. Any value is there, that boundaries, it is focus. ECP focuses the divided the partitions. BVA is focuses the boundaries. Here, for example, I will take any registration with any text box. Age limit is there. That is, for example, 18 to 60. That is, they mention here 18 is the minimum value and 50 is the maximum value. Here minimum value 18, a minimum minus 1 is the invalid data. Yeah, invalid data. That means 17. 17 is the invalid data. So that is one of the test case, invalid test case, invalid data test case. And next one is the minimum value is the okay. Minimum value plus 1. That is fine. That means what? 19. Minimum value plus 1 means 19. That is fine. That is valid data. So next maximum value. Coming to maximum value also valid data input test case. That is one of the test case. Maximum minus 1. Maximum minus 1 means what?
Go ahead,
49. 49 also valid data, but maximum plus 1, that is 51. So that is also one of the test case, that is invalid test case. So we are using those techniques, designing the test cases. And
And what are the other two? There are 4 testing techniques, right?
Yeah.
So what are the other 2 names? Just 2 names I want. I don't want the explanation. What are the other 2 names?
Sorry, I forget.
No, try to remember. That's so nothing. Don't worry. Why sorry, sir? We are all learning,
Yeah.
right? So remember what we discussed. There are 4 testing techniques, correct?
Yes,
If you remember. One is equivalence class partitioning. The
yes.
second one is boundary value
BVA.
analysis. What is the
Yes.
third one? Interview purpose, we should know it.
Yes, we know. But I just focused those two.
Okay,
So
okay,
suddenly
all right.
I can't.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
Right. Any
another.
other topic that you prepared?
Yeah, that is bug life cycle.
Bug
It
life
is
cycle.
no.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
bug life cycle. It is known as defect life cycle also. Here steps is the defect life cycle. Testers use defect life cycle many tools. Jira and Bugzilla, Zoho, like. Coming to the in the process, it is in the process, it is severity, priority, and environment test defect description. We are using those steps to send the bugs. Identity of the bug. The steps, I'm saying the steps. Identity of bug. When we identify the bug, we give the test description. Next, we new means when logged logged once logged, the status is new. If it is any bug is there, we assign to the developer. Next step is assigned to the developer for fixing purpose, for fixing the bug. As the developer start to fix the bug, he change the status to the open. When he fixed, the when he fixed status is fixed status. Next, it is reopen. Sorry, open fixed test retest. So when it is fixed, tester will open the bug it whether it is fixed or not. It is checked. It when it is fixed, it is closed. Closed status. Change the verified. Next, it is closed status. If it is not fixed properly, any bug, any issue, again it is coming any issue, so it is reopen. Change the status, reopen. Here, 3 stages are there: severity and priority basis. We assign to the bug. Severity means fatal defect. Seriousness, severity means seriousness, bug seriousness. So fatal defect means, for example, I will take the any login page. Here we enter the input data. Next, we click on the sign in button, login button or submit button. The button is disappeared. That is the serious bug. So that is the severity one. That nothing but fatal defect. Next, major defect. Major defect means a button is available, appear, but the functionality is not working. That is one of the issue. So that is called major defect. Nothing but severity 2. Minor defect means usability, user friendly issues. So that means text text box alignment, any spelling mistakes like that issues. So low severity is there, so minor defect, that is severity 3. For suppose we want to give any suggestions to developer, that is under comes to suggestions, that is severity 4.
Yeah, I
Next,
think thanks, Rajalakshmi. I think you did good job. Thank you very much.
okay,
Right?
Vinu.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Excellent. Thanks for the preparing. Okay. All right,
Yeah.
guys. Let me stop the recording. You can stop camera. Not a problem.